Hi, my darlings. Welcome to day 2 of week 11. We are going to get started right away. Things that you should already know after doing day 1 is that your vocabulary is due on Friday, and then any work you finish today will be due Monday or Tuesday, depending on when you see me. So we've already done the background information for the first day of school. You've looked at the vocabulary and hopefully have turned that in early to make me happy. I have the audio there, and then we are doing alpha blocks today. Now, Accelerated only has the close reading questions. All core just has the alpha block. So accelerated, your close reading questions are due on Monday. For everyone else, we just could talk about the alpha blocks, and that includes accelerated as well. So alpha blocks are a fun way to see what kind of words have impact on a story. And so your paper will look something like mine. Well, mine's done, but I don't want to give you that one. I'll give you the undone one. Alpha blocks. So if I click on this right here, you know that I have to turn it in on Canvas and not send it to my email, we have the alpha blocks. And so the first thing you need with alpha blocks is the alphabet. So it has all the letters, except the only thing that's a little bit different about the alpha blocks is that X, Y, Z are in one thing. Now, if you read the directions carefully on the directions page, you only need 20 words. Now, you may have 3 in A, 2 in I, none in K, and that's okay. I just want you to be organizing them based off the first letter of the alphabet. So then you're thinking, what is the word? And then what is it impacting? Is it impacting the mood, the plot, the theme, the setting? So just tell me like the word. So say one word is impactful. What I would do is I'd write the word impactful. And I think impactful is applying to the plot. And then that's what you think it is, and then we'll have conversations about that in class. And if you did come to the Zoom, you know that we did a lot of this together. Now, these are the two things that I really am looking for. I want to know which 3 words do you think are the most important that you chose out of here, and then use text evidence of why. A really good way is to pick a quote out that uses one of those words and connect it back to the story. Also, you create a sentence about the story using the 5 words. If it has to be 2 sentences, totally fine. Just create words from the top, use words from the top in order to write what the story was about, using those very heavy connotative words. And that is what you're doing in day 2. One really important thing is that you always need to make sure that you use your online textbook. So here I am on Google Drive. I'm going to slide all the way down to where it says HRW. And after it says HRW, I'll move my little box up here. You will see that it takes you to this dashboard that has many different things for you. This should just be a review. You go to student ebook. It's the only yellow box for you all. And then when you're here, sorry, that was annoying. You need to make sure you go to the very top page right here and go to page 271. It will take you there. If you want the page to be a little bit bigger, you can zoom, you can write notes, you can listen to the audio or mine that's already on Canvas. As always, ask me questions if you have any. Love you. Have a great day.